What's up, everybody? This is yours truly, Mr. Steven, aka The Legend, and you already know my pronouns because I am not going to say it. And welcome to the Steven Factor. Folks, are you ready for have some fun? Let's have some fun. Because I am going to read you an outstanding story like you've never seen before. And that is called Arthur's Chickenpox. Wow. Personal note, I used to love this book. And I kept it over like 20 years ago when I was in summer school. And I don't know where it was or where it is around my end in this house. So I just realized that I decided trying to get this book so I want to share with you of this wonderful childhood. I want to give a special shout out to my friend Emma Jane Sislowski, and they love Arthur so much, including Lauren McIntyre and Jennifer and Caroline and Becca and the rest of my Ritz crew, Keegan, Ritz, Luke, Jake, Lauren, aka Lo, Miss My Old Fort Greene group, Laura, Christina. You know what? I wanna read this to give a shout out to Lee D. I wanna read this to all of you. So trying to bring back your childhood, and just want to let you know, due to this chaotic world we live in, let's just say that I think it's time for you guys to sit down, relax, reflect, and trying to get back in time. Just want to let you know, Arthur's Chickenpox is actually based on the television series with the same name as well, and also based on a book with the same name as well. But Arthur's Chickenpox became one of my personal favorites of both the TV show and the book, and it's very different from the television series. So they just add more writing script and more detailing as well. And just want to let you know, I just ordered from Amazon, and a little confection. It's old. It is old, and you can see the sticker. You can see here the sound. You can see this little white sticker stick on the book, and it's a hard book. And also there's a little black mark there as well. Yeah. So let's read. You ready? Let's get this thing started. Arthur's Chickenpox by Mark Brown. For all the chickenpox experts in Miss Bundy's class at DeWitt Road School, with love and thanks. And you can see the cup with the crazy straw. Alright. It was Monday morning, but Arthur's family was thinking about Saturday's trip to the circus. I wonder if the knife thrower will be back, said Father. The trapeze artists are my favorite, said Mother. I like the clowns best, said Arthur. I like the cotton candy, said DW. Arthur thought about the circus in school, too. For his art project, he drew a picture of the circus. Then at lunch, Arthur noticed he didn't feel very well. He went to the nurse's office. You have a temperature, said the nurse. Then Arthur's dad arrived to take him home. I'm going to get better fast, said Arthur. I don't want to miss the circus. DW was surprised to see Arthur when she got home from playgroup. What's wrong with you? She asked. You don't look sick to me, but I feel sick, said Arthur. I think you're faking, said DW. I really appreciate how Mark Brown illustrate this wonderful characters and these pictures and the wonderful scenery. It was exactly just like a television series, to be honest. At dinner time, Arthur got to have chicken noodle soup on the sofa. Why I do have to eat at the table? Asked DW. You're not sick, said Mother. Well, I think Arthur is just pretending, said DW. Eat your spinach, said Father. The next morning, Arthur was really sick. Arthur has polka dots, said DW. Laughing. Too bad he'll miss the circus. I'll see if Grandma Thora can stop by later, said Mother. She knows about chickenpox. That afternoon, Grandma Thora arrived. I brought you some treats to help you feel better, she said. After school, Arthur's friends stopped by with get well cards. Muffy brought Arthur all his homework. Father brought Arthur some stickers and cherry cough drops. Can I have a cough drop? Asked DW. You're not sick, said Arthur. I feel itchy, said Arthur after dinner. Try not to scratch, said Grandma Thora. But I want to scratch, said Arthur. I'll make a special smoothing bath, said Grandma Thora. That might help. Arthur was allowed to drink juice in the tub with a crazy straw. If you're a good little boy and don't scratch your spots, said DW, I bring you home in a balloon from the circus. Yep, that's the same line from Arthur's television series. After his bath, Grandma Thora gave Arthur a back rub and told him a story. I think I'm ready for my hot tea now, said Arthur. Don't forget the extra honey, please. Can I have a back rub too? Asked DW. Maybe later, said Grandma Thora. Right now, I have to get Arthur's tea. Suddenly, DW got an idea. Oh boy, I already know what happens next. Watch. She went to the bathroom and closed the door. First, DW put a baby powder on her face to look pale. Then she looked through her marker box for a pink one, and she gave herself spots, lots of spots. You know, DW is very jealous, to be honest with you. And a savage. Period. DW made moaning sounds as she came down the stairs. I don't feel well, she said. Good heavens, said Grandma Thora. You have them too. Let me take your temperature. When no one was looking, DW held the thermometer under the hot water. Oh dear, said Grandma Thora. When she read the thermometer, I feel itchy too, said DW. I think I need a smoothing bath. Of course, said Grandma Thora. And how about some juice? Asked DW with a crazy straw. Of course, darling, said Grandma Thora. DW noticed that while she was in the tub, all her pink spots washed right off. But Grandma Thora noticed. Dora Winifred, she scolded. I am very disappointed in you. Oof. Well, how's our little patient? DW asked Arthur the next afternoon. Still itchy, said Arthur, and still sick. That's too bad, said DW. She moved the telephone near Arthur. Excuse me, she said. I had to make the important call. Hello, Emily. I have the extra ticket for the circus on Saturday. Want to go with me? Great, bye. Mom, moaned Arthur. DW is torturing me. By Friday, Arthur was feeling well enough to go out to dinner with his family. I guess I'll be going to the circus after all, he said. That's just grand, said Grandma Thora. DW, you better call Emily, said Mother. Maybe I should wait, said DW. Who knows? Arthur might get the flu. We'll see what happens next. But Arthur didn't get a flu. The next morning, he was up early and dressed for the circus. Everyone else was ready for the circus too. Everyone except DW. Hurry up, DW, or you will be late, called Mother. DW came down the stairs singing, It's, it's cotton candy I love to eat, so it's so squishy, it's so sweet. Mother just looked at DW. Oh boy, said Father. Good heavens, said Grandma Forla. Arthur started laughing. What's so funny? Back to bed, young lady, said Mother. But what about the circus? Cried DW. Don't worry, said Arthur. If you good if you are a good little girl and don't scratch, I bring you home a balloon. The end. If you learn more about this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to see my latest videos, and also like button as well. This is your stream, Mr. Steven saying, Dolo para la familia, and thank you for watching the Steven Factor. One love. Peace.